Hey there, YouTubers, how are you doing? Yes, I need a shave. I haven't shaved since my last shave. Shavage or drink San Pellegrino naturally or on I don't know my class Siata Rossa, whatever. Italian with the foot with 100% natural ingredients and Italian oranges, blood oranges, I think it was. So let's try it. Try this one. Yeah, it's good. I think I like the lemon better. It's a little bit bitter. So we got the package in there. That's the usual there. It's I didn't need a knife to open it, and it was a little bit loose on the side here, but it survived. I really don't like bubble wrap when people say even if it's sealed with the bubble inside too, though. But it's okay. At least it came in one piece. I opened it and looked. We got some extras though. I bought the thing, but I got some extras. Gillette Nasset. And I don't think I ever used this bait before. So this will be exciting to try. I have no idea where these are made. The guy who sold it told me this item, the razor. He said he bought it from PAA. So thank you. He sent me that one. And he sent me Derby Premium. And I don't think I tried that one either, as far as I know. So we got extra goodies. That's nice. You can always need more blades. And that's it. Nothing more. And that came in bubble wrap. And here it is. Dum dum dum. And you can see. Maybe I post some pictures. It says Matador Precision there. It's a case I haven't seen before, actually. Not this blue and this color. It's a beautiful condition. And there we go. And doesn't have the blades or time period, but maybe I also might put it. And there's the razor. It's a gold-plated one, and perhaps a little bit worn on the top there, a little bit worn on the top. It has it's a 3-piece. There, it has the shape so you can hold it really simple and easy. There, it says Matador Precision Matador Deluxe Precision Razor. Maybe you could pick it up. Maybe it needs to be cleaned a little bit. I don't think I even will dare to polish it because gold plating comes really easy off. So I just wash it with some soap. So that's the razor and the case. I never seen this color combination before. So that's interesting. There I got some of my Matadors there. There you can see. But this one case is a little bit broken. And somebody said to me this wasn't the Matador, but it certainly looks like the Matador case, doesn't it? So that's that. I do also move these Matadors. Let's see. They're empty. Maybe I'll find some other ones to put in this one. There is also the Matador blades that they came back in the day. Dispenser. Maybe you've seen it before. There. So, I hope you enjoyed the short video. And now I need to do some housework. So anyway, we'll see you again in another shave soon. I probably will use this razor real soon. So take care, everybody, and may you all have solid shaves. Bye now.